Wabarakatuh. Hello everyone. Introduce myself. My name is Nurul Safira. You can call me Nurul. I'm class 2 P Physiotherapy, University Aisyah Yogyakarta. On this occasion, I will talk or I do a review about the gadget. Here I am going to review on the difference in two gadgets. Namely between my gadget Vivo Y81, which was released in June 2018, and my mother gadget Samsung Galaxy J1, which was released in January 2015. Okay, without waiting too long, I just example what the difference is anyway. One first, I can be seen on the second screen of the gadget, where this screen is for Samsung Galaxy J1 looks smart, that is 4.3 inch compared to the Vivo Y81 screen, which is bigger. Screen width is 6.22 inch, with the where the bigger is screen of a gadget will be the more delicious for gadget user. Okay, then I will example the second difference. Here I will give difference in my opinion in this stream of the Vivo Y81. Camera has a size of 1080 by 330 with the maximum resolution for recording video with the main camera, and you can say Vivo Y81 currently has a bigger camera resolution compared to Samsung Galaxy J1 with a smart camera size is 720 by 330. And as last, I will give a difference in the RAM of these two gadgets. For RAM, both of these gadgets have against a difference, where Vivo Y81 has a large RAM with is 3 GB compared to RAM Samsung Galaxy J1, which has 0.75 GB RAM. Well, that's all I can example for comparison between Vivo Y81 and Samsung Galaxy J1. My phone Vivo Y81 is better than my mother phone from almost all experience of the screen, camera, and RAM of the phone. Okay, maybe up to her that I can example. Sorry if here is still something that feel unclear. Thank you.